Hi, I'm Peter. I'm the head technician at Sherlotronics, and today I'll be showing you how to program a remote into our MB4000 panic system. Okay, first step is to have your Mimic base connected to 12 volts and powered up, and hardwire your data receivers to the Mimic base. So if you have a look at the chock blocks, your data receiver connection is down at the bottom here. They're labeled as 12 volts positive, 12 volts negative, and your two communication lines A and B. Okay, then on the data receiver, as you can see, there's a chock block with the exact same representation. So you're going to connect your 12 volt positive to 12 volt positive, 12 volt negative to 12 volt negative, A to A, and B to B. Okay, once you've now connected up your data receivers, the first thing you're going to do is then go into the admin menu. To go into the admin menu, you press the enter button and you type in the admin password, which is 1234, and then enter again. You then need to enable the data receivers so they can receive the codes for the Mimic base. You scroll down to option number 3, which is program ASKDRX, which is the model number of the data receiver. You press enter, and you press the first option for auto learn, which is number 1. It will then search for the appropriate data receivers that are connected to the base. As you can see, I had 2 connected, so I've picked up 2 IDs, and the search will then automatically time out, and it will tell you that it's connected to 2 units. Okay, once the data receivers has finished its auto learn function, it will return to the data receiver menu. You just press button number 3 for exit, and you scroll up in the menu to the program RF option and press enter. It will display the first memory location and display that the location is empty and there's no text programmed into it. Okay, once you are in this menu, you will then take your remote and you will press the memory button once. It will then ask you, do you want to learn a remote or delete a remote? You will press option number 1 for learn, and then press the remote once, twice, and then it will learn it in. Once it's learned in, the memory location will display as full, and if you want to make sure the remote you have just pressed is in that memory location, you press it again, and it will give you a recognition beep to say that this remote is definitely in this location. Once the remote is programmed in, you can press the scroll down button to edit the text field for the specific remote. I'm just going to put in the word test for the text for this remote. And then once you're finished with that, you're going to press enter. It will return to the main menu, and you scroll down to the bottom option, which is exit, and press enter again. Once the Mimic base is back in standby mode, you can then take the remote you've just programmed in, and you can then press it once, and the Mimic base will go into alarm. It will then display the memory location number. It will ask you to reset with the password, and it will also display your time and date stamp, your text, and your event in the stack. You just type in the password to then reset the unit. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a look at our other videos for more information.